जय श्रीमन्नारायण 246th नामं from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Narayanaya Namaha. Ho Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the one who is all pervasive. You are the one who is pervaded internally and externally and all over the entire creation and supporting this entire creation from internal and external. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Narayanaya Namaha. Om Narayanaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within your own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, after Dasaratha Maharaja's dead body is kept in the oil bowl, all the wives of Dasaratha Maharaju, all the ladies in that Antahpuram started crying loudly, Bahun Udyamya Krupana. They are lifting their hands and crying like so loudly and moving to tears. They are all saying that, O Maharaja, Ramena Satatam Priyavadinam, the one who always makes us happy, the one who always used to keep us happy. Such Rama is not there with us now. Now you also left all of us and gone. O Maharaja, now we don't have Rama, now we don't have Raja. O Maharaja, you have died because Rama is gone away from you. You have died. O Raja, Rama is the one who is most beloved to you and to us also. O Maharaja, such Rama is sent away from us by Kaika, and you are killed by Kaika. Now you both left all of us to Kaika. Rama, you have gone away leaving us to Kaika. O Maharaja, you are died leaving us to Kaika. We cannot be with this Kaika anymore, O Maharaja. This Kaika can torture us to any extent, O Maharaja. We cannot live with this Kaika. Like that, all the Antahpura ladies are crying a lot. Everywhere in the entire kingdom, wherever you see, only tears, only tears. Wherever you hear, only ha, ha sounds like that. Everywhere it is so dense, dark. Everywhere people are crying, people are coming together as a groups and crying a lot and Vigarhamana Bharatasya Mataram, crying, and on other hand scolding Kaika. Everybody doing like that in the entire kingdom. some of the Maharajas, Dasharatha Maharaja's friends and ministers started talking about should we do his last rites. Then they immediately step back and say that no, he has 4 sons. If we hear from them that they do not want to do, then we can go ahead and do it. But they did not say like that. So let us try to get at least 1 son that so that he can come and do last rites for Dasharatha Maharaj. Like that, all the ministers and some of the close friends of Dasharatha Maharaj started discussing. And that night, really, it was a very, very dreadful night, and it is long night. Everybody just kept awake and crying, and slowly the sun is rising. The daylight is coming up. What is going to happen next? We will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 26th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Suprasadaha Prasannatma Visvasruk Visvabhuk Vibhuhu Satkarta Satkrutaha Sadhuhu Jakhnuhu Narayano Naraha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman-Narayana. Om Narayanaya Namaha. Om Narayanaya Namaha. Om Narayanaya Namaha.